Discovered an R8 file in an image archive or graphics workflow. This is a raw graphics file containing uncompressed image data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view and convert these raw graphics files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any R8 file. Let's try the simple solutions first. R8. Files are raw graphics files containing uncompressed 8-bit image data without standard headers or compression. They store pixel values directly often used in legacy graphics workflows, scientific imaging, or specialized hardware that outputs raw uncompressed image data. R8 files store raw pixel data as a sequential byte stream, typically representing 8-bit grayscale or single-channel image data. The format lacks embedded headers requiring external knowledge of image dimensions and color format for correct interpretation by viewing software. Windows often defaults to associating R8 with the unknown software solution from unknown developer. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows can't apply camera profiles or lens corrections, so full editing requires specialized software. We're performing an initial software compatibility check. Right-click your R8 file and choose Open With. Test unknown software first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a quick solution. If the R8 file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, opening in IrfanView. Install IrfanView and use File then Open as raw to load the R8 file. Specify the image dimensions, width, height, and color format manually. IrfanView reads the raw pixel data and displays the image once the correct parameters are configured. Next, importing in GIMP. Open GIMP and use File. Then open and select the R8 file. GIMP prompts for raw image parameters including dimensions, bit depth, and channel count. Enter the correct values matching the image's known properties to display the image correctly within GIMP. Finally, converting with ImageMagick. Use ImageMagick command line tools to convert R8 files to standard formats. Run convert, size, WXH, depth, 8 gray.input.r8 output PNG, replacing WXH with the actual dimensions. The resulting PNG file opens in any standard image viewer or editor. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.